With Partner Cloud, you can centralize all of your partner work into one unified platform. Engage your partners from the start of their experience by embedding enablement programs that are focused on your business outcomes and goals right where they work. Create trust and transparency by sharing key pieces of CRM data, including account plans to enrich partner prep for selling and AI-generated insights from Einstein on deals that are progressing. Partners working on separate teams can export deals to work them in their own CRM. And as deals progress, you can simplify common processes or surface important product info using Agentforce. Partner Cloud makes it easy for your partners to register any deal or design, manage marketing funds and campaigns, and monitor progress. Keep partners coming back to sell more with transparent, automated incentive programs. From traditional commissions or loyalty-based incentives to inventory-based rebates, right in Partner Cloud. And Slack helps you stay on top of processes and drive engagement throughout the partner lifecycle. Easily manage your entire partner experience and grow revenue with Partner Cloud. To get started, visit salesforce.com.